What if I told you that your next holiday gift could also be your next big business idea? Discover how simple pieces of wood can become your secret weapon for earning real income this holiday season. You will not believe how accessible and enjoyable these profitable craft ideas truly are. The holiday season is one of the best times of the year to turn creativity into income. People everywhere are searching for meaningful gifts, thoughtful decorations, and handmade items that feel warm and personal. This is where wood crafts shine. Wood has a timeless charm. It feels natural, cozy, and sincere. And the best part is that you do not need expensive tools or years of experience to start creating and selling beautiful wooden crafts. Today we will explore how to turn simple wood projects into a profitable holiday side business. Whether you already love woodworking or are just getting started, you can turn your skills into a steady income during the holiday rush. So let us get into why wood crafts are so powerful during this season. First, handmade gifts have a special emotional value. During the holidays, people are not only buying objects, they are buying meaning, warmth, and memories. A wooden item carries a special weight because it feels natural and authentic. When someone gives a handcrafted wooden gift, it feels thoughtful and personal. This emotional connection is what makes wood crafts sell so well during the holidays. Second, wood is affordable. You can start with scrap pieces, pallet boards, thrift store finds, or low-cost lumber. You do not need a full workshop or advanced tools. A saw, sandpaper, and basic finishing supplies can take you very far. The startup cost is low, but the potential value is high. Third, wood is sustainable. More and more shoppers are choosing handmade and eco-friendly gifts. When you sell wooden crafts, especially those made from reclaimed or repurposed wood, your products stand out from mass-produced plastic items. This gives your work a strong identity and market advantage. Now, let us talk about project ideas that are perfect for holiday sales. These are items that are simple to make, quick to produce in small batches, and always in demand during gift-giving season. One idea is wooden ornaments. These can be stars, trees, snowflakes, or personalized shapes. You can keep them simple and rustic, or paint them lightly for a more polished look. Ornaments sell extremely well because they are affordable, meaningful, and easy to gift. Another great idea is wooden candle holders. They add warmth and atmosphere to homes during the holidays. Even a small piece of wood with a drilled cup for a tea light can look elegant. When paired with soft lighting and natural finishes, candle holders make wonderful gift pieces. Coasters are another easy and profitable item. They are simple to customize and can be made in sets. You can burn patterns, carve lines, or simply sand and finish the wood to highlight the natural grain. Coasters are useful, stylish, and always sell well because they are practical and gift-friendly. Wooden signs are also extremely popular. Whether displaying holiday messages, family names, or inspirational words, wooden signs allow buyers to express personality through decor. You can use stencils, stamps, or freehand painting, depending on your style. Now let us talk about how to price your items. When pricing handmade crafts, consider material cost, time spent, and finishing details. Remember that holiday shoppers are willing to pay more for handcrafted items because they value the story, care, and meaning behind them. Do not undersell your work. Value your time, creativity, and craftsmanship. Selling your crafts can be simple and flexible. You can sell locally or online. If you want to sell locally, consider holiday craft fairs, weekend markets, local gift shops, or community events. If you want to sell online, you can use marketplaces such as Etsy or social media platforms. Posting short videos of your process can also help attract buyers. People love seeing how things are made. It gives your work personality and authenticity. Presentation is also important. Simple packaging can elevate the value of your craft. Natural twine, craft paper, and handwritten tags create a warm and personal touch. These details show care and thoughtfulness, and they make your pieces feel gift-ready. Good presentation makes customers more excited and more likely to return. Now let us talk about mindset. Running a craft business is not only about making items. It is about sharing your creativity and connecting with people who appreciate handmade work. Do not worry about being perfect. Do not compare your work to mass-produced factory items. Your crafts are unique because they carry your touch, your intention, and your time. You are not just selling wood. You are selling warmth. You are selling memories. You are selling something that helps someone make their home feel special. The holiday season is the perfect time to start. People are actively searching for gifts that feel meaningful, and you have the ability to create those gifts with your own hands. So gather your scrap wood, prepare your tools, and start small. Create your first ornaments, candle holders, coasters, or signs. Test them. Share them. Improve them. Let your creativity grow. There is real opportunity waiting for you. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If this video inspired you and you want more easy woodworking ideas, business tips, and holiday craft projects, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. A new video is coming soon. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep crafting your way to something amazing.